Right, what's going to happen? It's the big question. And have I got enough water in there? Something's happening. Tea light's actually vibrated along, it's not directly underneath it anymore. I have to put the camera down and adjust it. I'm going to have to put some BluTack underneath that tea light. It keeps sliding back. This one's quite fascinating because it's gone quiet now and yet it's still going. Summary time, I think. Let's just blow this one out. So the purpose of this exercise was to test the silicone sealant for sealing our pop boat boiler, and that seems to have worked absolutely fine with no trouble at all. As far as I can tell, my drinks can boat hull wasn't much of a success because it tended to get stuck against the side of the bath. So, well, it looked interesting, but didn't work quite as well as I hoped. I was hoping, being metal, it would actually have a low friction coefficient against the sides of the bath, but it wasn't. It tended to jam or stick. Anyway, it works. The silicone sealant works fine, and if you have a look in the video description, there'll be a link to Magnus, I've forgotten his name now, my apologies. There'll be a link to his video. In fact, he's done another one since then. So yeah, silicone sealant works fine. Just a final little point. I pushed this boiler, kept pushing it, and in the end it burst just there. I don't know if you can see, there's a little black spot there, and it finally cracked. But I put a lot of effort into this. I was bending it and all sorts to try and make it pop louder, which it did. But in the end it fractured just where that little dot is there.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.